can't even see the car.
I'll tell you when you do it.
Rosie. Should I go outside and do it?
She has her phone in my car.
What?
She has her phone in my car.
She has her phone on your car?
Yeah.
Where? What the fuck?
Oh, yeah,
Why? That's weird.
Hopefully it reaches this far.
Why wouldn't it?
Like, I don't know.
It will.
She goes weird.
Should I record them outside?
No, because then they'll be like, flipping the...
The what?
They'll be like, oh, something's going on. They're gonna shit their pants.
Why don't I have to go near it?
Okay, hold on your shorts off.
It's like not close enough though. I can't see.
Yeah, I know, because I thought cameras are so shitty. Is my dog downstairs?
No?
I think it is.
Who?
The door open.
Oh,
You did.
Okay.
Get up here. Come with a treat. Come with a treat. Come on. Yeah.
She's not going near the car.
Phone's out there.
Alright, go. Do it. Do it. Fucking work.
You're good.
The alarm. Turn it off. Come and turn it off. Come and turn it off. She threw the ball at it. What the hell?
Do it again.
No, not yet, Colin. After you did that, she threw the ball at it.
Really?
Yeah. Wait, Colin, be quiet. They can hear us. It's just a screen.
What?
It's just a screen. They can hear us.
Yeah.
That was,
We didn't say anything that loud though.
that was funny though.